Many of our clients face a similar situation. They have an ERP system which has data being entered into it by accounting members. These accounting members are fed information from their end users. There are various types of ERPs such as SAP, Sage, QuickBooks, Dynamics GP, and Oracle. But today we'll be focused on QuickBooks. These outside end users will be inputting various amounts of data, such as product, customer, and vendor information, order requests, invoices, and billing. Typically, they'll be submitting their spreadsheets to the accounting members and then need to input this into the ERP system. But this can lead to some issues, such as a lack of audit capability, redundant manual data entry, and unclear process statuses. Wouldn't it be nice if we could escape from here? Well, with Kintone, it's possible. What we can do is have the data be entered by the end users directly into the system, which will help speed up and streamline your QuickBooks data entry. Kintone is a teamwork platform with 3 pillars: database, process management, and communication. First, the custom database. We allow end users to create and customize their own database solution. As you can see with your drag and drop builder, choose the type of field you want and enter it in. We have process management, where you can design your own workflow to create as complex or simple workflow as you'd like. This way, all members are up to date. Finally, communication. Along with the process management database, we have a communication aspect of our platform, where end users can communicate internally around the data it applies to, taking away from email. Finally, let's get to a demonstration of QuickBooks Online and Kintone. Let's take a look at the Kintone platform. Here we're able to manage our customers, items, quotes, sales orders, and invoices. First, take a look at the customers. Here we have a database of all of our customers. Take a look at the Parkway Company. When we dive into a record, we're able to see more information about that customer, such as their address, their order history, and some QuickBooks information that's used for the integration. Next, we'll take a look at the items. It's a very similar database where we simply keep track of the items, their price, and their QuickBooks item ID used for the integration. Now we'll go into the quote process, where users are able to enter in their quotes, information such as the order detail and their customer information, which we can look up and pre-populate various details such as their address. Here, we're able to click a button to easily create a sales order. Let's take a look at a sales order. Once the quote is finalized, we're able to create a sales order record, which carries over the information from the original quote. We're also able to take a look at related invoices. You can use the action button at the top to easily create an invoice. Finally, let's take a look at an invoice. Here you can see we have 2 listed, and we're able to dive into them and see information about the company, specific information about the invoice, and finally some information about QuickBooks Online, such as the transaction ID and a link to the transaction itself. Here you can see the second invoice with similar information, such as the invoice details, and we also have the QuickBooks Online information. When we navigate to the QuickBooks Online portal, you'll notice that both invoices from Kintone have been added. We're able to dive into an invoice and see that the customer information, along with the various invoice line items, have been added. From here, we're able to save and send that invoice to our customers. We can also take a look at the second invoice. which has similar information, but different line items. And once again, we can save and send this. And to conclude, here's an overview of the pricing model for this solution. Additionally, Kintone can be leveraged across your organization for numerous use cases. So please don't hesitate to reach out to us and learn more about how Kintone can make teamwork better for you. Thank you for your time, and I look forward to talking to you soon.